Hello everyone, and welcome back to learn about operating system, and this is part 3, the boot process. The boot process is everything that happens from pressing the power button to seeing the desktop. The order of what the boot process does. First, when the power button is pressed, the BIOS/UEFI starts. Then it does a hardware check. Then the bootloader runs and the kernel loads. After that, the OS services start, and finally the login screen appears. Now let's run through what each of these do. BIOS/UEFI starts. When you press the power button, a small program stored on the motherboard called the BIOS or the newer UEFI is the first software that runs. Its job is to check that the hardware like the CPU, memory, keyboard, and storage are working correctly, and then finds a device that contains an operating system. Once it finds one, it hands control over to the bootloader so the operating system can start loading. Hardware check. Post. After the BIOS or UEFI starts, it performs a quick test called post, which stands for Power On Self-Test. During post, the computer checks that essential hardware like the CPU, RAM, graphics, keyboard, and storage are present and working properly. If everything passes, the startup continues normally. If something is wrong, the system may beep, show an error message, or fail to boot, letting you know there's a hardware problem. The bootloader runs. After the hardware check, post is completed, the bootloader runs. The bootloader is a small program whose job is to load the operating system into memory. It finds the OS on the storage drive, loads the kernel, and then hands control over to it so the operating system can start. Kernel loads. The kernel is loaded into memory and takes control of the system. We'll cover kernels more in depth in a later video in this series. OS starts services. After the kernel is loaded and running, the operating system starts its services. These are background programs that handle essential tasks like networking, sound, logging, printing, and user logins. These services run automatically in the background, so the system is fully usable by the time you see the desktop or login screen. Bye-bye, have a nice day.